In this video, we will tell you the 10 rules of money that will make you rich. The last rule is very crucial and will make you rich if you follow it well. Now let's start. Number 1, establish objectives. Prioritize your goals by categorizing them into short, medium, and long-term objectives. This is a straightforward exercise that you can do with your feet up. It helps establish context and purpose for a financial plan, ensuring that you stay on track and make the most of your earnings. Setting goals early on can provide you with the motivation needed to start working towards them. Number 2, understand your current assets and determine your future requirements. It's important to always be aware of two key points: the amount of money you're earning and the amount you're spending, regardless of your age or financial situation. Calculate your rent or mortgage expenses, utilities, food costs, gasoline, and other essential expenditures. If you're struggling to meet your expenses, it may be necessary to make some adjustments to your lifestyle. Consider carefully the distinction between wants and needs in order to make informed choices about which discretionary expenses to retain. You might choose to continue your Netflix subscription while cutting back on your daily juice bar visits. Average families tend to spend a significant portion of their income on avoidable expenses like lottery tickets and unused gym memberships. These expenses should be cut out completely to avoid wasting money. This is not about missing out on opportunities and experiences to explore new places and embrace the joys of life. Understanding your priorities is crucial. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips to get rich. Number 3, develop a consistent savings plan. Consider treating your savings as an essential and non-negotiable expense, just like your electric bill. Make it a priority and set up automatic contributions. Make it a habit to save consistently by arranging for an automatic transfer of funds from your paycheck. This way, you can resist the temptation to spend the money. Starting to earn interest on your savings early can help you reach your goals with less long-term saving. The beauty of compounding is truly remarkable and can be a great source of inspiration for even those who are hesitant to save. When you earn interest, the profits are added to your principal, and then more interest is applied to the total of your principal and earnings. Imagine a snowball perched atop a hill. You give it a gentle nudge down the hill, and as it picks up speed, it grows rapidly. That's the power of compounding in action. Imagine the potential outcome of investing $10,000 and earning a 6% return annually. If you simply reinvest the earnings without taking any additional action, your money will grow more than threefold over a period of 20 years. After 40 years, your account would be valued at over $102,000. Number 4, ensure a secure future by making smart choices for your retirement plan. Consider putting money into a retirement account like a 401k or individual retirement account. These accounts can be either tax-free or tax-deferred and may offer the opportunity to invest money before taxes or claim a deduction for investments made after taxes. It is crucial to prioritize utilizing a 401k plan that provides a matching contribution to employees' savings. Several employers offer a matching program where they will contribute up to 4% of your contributions. Consider investing in a Roth IRA if your adjusted gross income is under $137,000 or under $203,000 for couples. This type of investment allows your savings to grow tax-free and provides the benefit of no taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. You have the option to contribute up to $6,000 per year or $7,000 if you're over the age of 50. Number 5, maximize your investment potential. Long-term investments should be allocated for growth. This implies investments in the stock market. Considering the recent volatility in U.S. stock markets, this might seem like a risky move. However, the benefits far exceed the drawbacks. The duration of a bull market in U.S. stocks is typically around 8.9 years, during which stocks tend to experience a significant appreciation of over 400%. On the other hand, a bear market usually lasts about 1.3 years and results in a decline of approximately 41% in stock value. Historically, the stock market has always rebounded after declines and ultimately reached new heights. Number 6, steer clear of unnecessary debt. One of the most challenging aspects of achieving financial literacy is refraining from a particular action of avoiding credit card debt. If you do choose to utilize a credit card, it is crucial to pay off the balance completely every month. Just as some debt can be beneficial, such as a student loan or a home mortgage, credit cards can come with high interest rates of up to 20% or more. Debt can quickly spiral out of control, derailing your financial aspirations. Imagine the scenario where you decide to purchase a brand new laptop or a computer worth $1,500 using a credit card that has an interest rate of 18%. Each month, a minimum payment of $37 will be billed to you. By paying only the minimum amount, it will take you over 13 years to fully pay off your purchase, resulting in a total cost of over $3,200. Number 7, avoid unnecessary expenses and overspending. Take into account the impact of expenses associated with mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, which can vary from a small fraction of 1% to over 1% of assets annually. With an initial investment of $100,000 and an annual return of 6%, your funds would accumulate to $430,000 over a period of 25 years, assuming no fees were incurred. With a 1% annual fee, your investment would decrease by $85,000, resulting in a remaining balance of $345,000. By choosing low-cost funds, you can save money and potentially achieve higher returns. A significant majority of U.S. stock funds in the lowest quintile outperformed their benchmarks between 2010 and 2015, while only a small fraction of funds in the highest fee quintile managed to do the same. Number 8, ensure your safety. Life can be challenging at times, with unexpected setbacks such as job loss, injury, natural disasters, or theft. These unfortunate circumstances can have a significant impact on your finances, making them even more difficult to navigate. It's important not to overlook insurance, even if it's not required. Consider getting renter's insurance and disability insurance to protect yourself. If your life becomes more complex with milestones like marriage and children, it might be wise to consider adding additional coverage on top of the disability coverage provided by your employer, which typically covers up to 60% of your income. If you have family members who rely on your income, it is essential to consider term life insurance. Number 9, simplify your finances. For most investors, especially those who are new to investing, the most effective strategy is to create a straightforward and cost-effective portfolio consisting of diversified index funds that mirror the market's performance. It is advisable to avoid attempting to outperform the market by disregarding speculative advice and monitoring your returns less frequently. Approach your investment decisions with a rational and objective mindset, avoiding the influence of emotions, political opinions, and hunches. Keep in mind that when you have a strong desire to sell, it's likely a good time to consider buying instead, and vice versa. Steer clear of trendy investments such as cryptocurrency if you are a beginner. Just keep in mind that there's always a chance that the trend you're investing in might reach its peak just as you're getting involved. Remember when everyone thought 3D printing was the next big thing? Additionally, niche investments can be quite volatile if a large number of investors decide to sell at the same time. Staying connected with big, proven indexes such as the S&P 500 can help you avoid the problem of a lack of liquidity, as it's known in Wall Street lingo. Number 10, get impartial guidance. Ensure that your advisor is fully committed to supporting you. Seek out professionals who prioritize your best interests and steer clear of any potential conflicts of interest, such as earning commissions from product sales. Now, watch the video appearing on the left side to know the signs that show you will get rich. Also, subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest financial tips and news that could change your life.